Hi friends, welcome to Brilliance Academy. Brilliance Academy has launched GST series for SBI Po and Clerk 2018 aspirants. In this series, important questions relating to general awareness and current affairs will be discussed. The main idea behind launching this series is to make GA section so strong that it can be a scoring section in the exam. If you want to get the benefit of this series, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's begin today's lecture. The first question is, the world's largest solar park will come up in which Indian state? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Punjab, E. None of these. And the right answer is A. Gujarat. Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani has recently approved setting up a 5,000 megawatt capacity solar park at the Dholera Special Investment Region, which would be the largest such entity in the world after its completion. It would be set up in 11,000 hectares of land with an investment of 25,000 crore rupees. The project will contribute significantly in achieving Prime Minister Narendra Modi's target of producing 175 gigawatt of electricity through renewable energy sources by 2022. Next question is, which of the following economic concepts is categorized on the basis of current account or capital account or both? Options are A. Balance of payments, B. Value of the food grain stock of a country, C. Gross national product, D. Gross national income, E. Total collection of direct taxes in a year. And the right answer is A. Balance of payments. A balance of payments statement is a summary of a nation's total economic transactions. It is usually composed of two sections, current account and capital account. Next question is, Union government launched the FIO Global Link for MSME exporters to digitize their businesses. How is FIO abbreviated as? Options are A. Federation of Indian Export Organizations, B. Federation of Indian Exchange Operations, C. Federation of International Export Organizations, D. Federation of International Exchange Operations, E. None of these. The right answer is A. Federation of Indian Export Organizations. Union Commerce and Industry Minister Suresh Prabhu launched the FIO Global Link in New Delhi on April 17, 2018. It is a digital platform for MSME exporters to digitize their businesses and join a global community of growing businesses. Federation of Indian Export Organizations is a trade promotion organization in India jointly established in 1965 by the Ministry of Commerce of the Government of India and Private Trade and Industry. The organization is responsible for representing and assisting Indian entrepreneurs and exporters in foreign markets. Here is the next question, which Indian actress got featured in the Times 100 Most Influential People of 2018? Options are A. Anushka Sharma, B. Priyanka Chopra, C. Deepika Padukone, D. Katrina Kaif, E. Sridevi. And the answer is C. Deepika Padukone. Time 100 is an annual list of the 100 most influential people in the world assembled by the American news magazine Time. It was first published in 1999 as the result of a debate among American academics, politicians, and journalists. The list of 2018 features the names of 4 self-made Indians: Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone, Indian cricket captain Virat Kohli, Ola co-founder Bhavish Agarwal, and Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Next question, which country to host the 2018 World Robot Conference? Options are A. India, B. Japan, C. China, D. North Korea, E. None of these. The answer to this question is C. China. The 2018 World Robot Conference will be held in Beijing from August 15 to 19. The event will see over 12,000 competing teams and 50,000 participants from more than 10 countries and regions. The theme of the event is creating new intelligent power and sharing the new opening up era. Let's go to the next question. FIMMDA stands for. The right answer to this question is B. Fixed Income Money Markets and Derivatives Association. The Fixed Income Money Market and Derivatives Association of India is an association of scheduled commercial banks, public financial institutions, primary dealers and insurance companies. It was incorporated as a company under Section 25 of the Companies Act 1956 on June 3, 1998. FIMMDA is a voluntary market body for the bond, money and derivatives markets. Next question is, which state is hosting the 7th edition of the Women's Science Congress 2018? Options are A. Karnataka, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Manipur, D. Haryana, E. None of these. The right answer is C. Manipur. This year's 7th edition of the Women's Science Congress 2018 has been inaugurated by West Bengal Governor Kesharinath Tripathi at Manipur University, Imphal. Women's Science Congress is planned essentially to bring women to the forefront of science, engineering, technology, industrial entrepreneurship and management. Women's Science Congress is planned to bring them all together and instill a sense of pride, confidence and camaraderie amongst them and guide them on to the positions of power and leadership. The last question of this lecture is P.P. Lakshmanan has passed away at Kannur in Kerala. He was related to which field? Options are A. Politics, B. Journalism, C. Sports, D. Film industry, E. None of these. The right answer is C. Sports. P.P. Lakshmanan served All India Football Federation as the secretary from 1988 to 1996. He went on to become Senior Vice President of All India Football Federation in 1996 and eventually became Executive President in 2000 before leaving office 4 years later. So friends, how was today's lecture? Write your opinion in the comment box below. If you have any query, you can mail us at the provided email ID. You can also follow us on Facebook, Telegram and Google+. Links have been given in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.